Hello guys! Today's video is very interesting because we are going to talk about why listening is important in English learning. If you want to improve your English, listening is the key. Many learners focus only on reading and writing, but listening plays a crucial role in mastering a language. When you listen to English regularly, you naturally pick up new words, phrases, and sentence structures without even realizing it. It helps you understand how native speakers pronounce words and how sentences flow naturally.
Listening is the foundation of communication. Before we learn to speak, we learn to listen. Think about how babies learn their first language. They don't start by reading or writing, they listen to the people around them. By listening, they slowly understand words and their meanings, and then they begin to speak. This is the same process you should follow when learning English. The more you listen, the more you will improve. Even if you don't understand everything at first, your brain is still processing the sounds, tones, and rhythms of the language.
One of the biggest advantages of listening is that it improves your pronunciation. When you hear native speakers, you start to notice how they stress words, where they pause, and how they connect words together. This helps you sound more natural when you speak. Listening also improves your comprehension skills. When you listen to different accents and speeds, your brain becomes better at understanding English in real-life situations. Imagine watching a movie without subtitles at first. It might be difficult, but over time, your ears will get used to the sounds, and you will start understanding more. Listening also helps with grammar. Many people struggle with grammar because they try to memorize rules instead of experiencing them naturally. When you listen, you hear correct grammar in context. Instead of thinking about rules, you start using correct grammar automatically. This is how native speakers learn. They don't memorize rules, they absorb them through listening. The more you expose yourself to English, the better your grammar will become without even studying it directly. Now, you might be wondering, how can I improve my listening skills? The best way is to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies and TV shows, and try to understand songs in English. Don't worry if you don't understand every word, just keep listening. Over time, your brain will recognize common patterns, and your understanding will improve. Another great way to practice listening is by watching videos with subtitles. First, watch with subtitles to understand the meaning, then watch again without them. This will train your ears to catch words and phrases more easily. Listening is not just about understanding words, it's about feeling the language. When you listen a lot, English starts to sound natural to you. Your confidence in speaking will increase because you already know how sentences should sound. So, if you want to improve your English quickly, make listening a daily habit. The more you listen, the more fluent you will become. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and enjoy the process of learning English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning videos.